Thank you so much for pressing play on my video. My name is Charlene from stampwithshar.com, and I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in the US. I have a fabulous little project to share with you today. Now, this is definitely something that you are going to want to hand deliver to somebody. It's a little box that holds 6 cards and envelopes. Super cute. Very easy to put together. So I'm going to show you how we do today's little box. I have my Simply Scored scoring board, and for the little box we're using some basic black, and this is cut at 8.5 by 10. I have some Share What You Love Specialty Designer Series paper, and these two pieces, I have one piece which is cut at 5 by 5, and I have another piece which is cut at 5 by 6. And then I have some scallop circle and the layering circle. So on our basic black, now if you missed any of these measurements, they will be over on my website at www.stampwithshar.com. I will have a written detailed description over as well. So first you want to score this at 1 inch and at 2 inch. And you're going to do that all the way around at 1 inch. And at 2 inch. At 1 inch. So right now, if you have a look, in all the corners there are 4 little squares. Now we need to do some cutting. But before we remove our Simply Scored, we need to score these papers as well. And at 1 inch and at 2 inch. 1 inch and 2 inch. So we need to do a little bit of cutting. So what we're going to do is we are going to cut up this score line, and we are going to cut these 2 squares away. And we're also going to cut that square away. So we're going to do that to all 4 corners. And so you're left with that. Now I do have a template which I will have on my website. So what we're going to do now is we're going to miter all the ends. We are now going to fold and burnish. I have my snail, and I am going to add some adhesive on these little tabs. And then I'm going to add adhesive really. This is why I don't use snail. All right, so now we're going to fold up our boxes. And then these pieces are just going to fold in. And that is the box that our cards are going to sit in. All right, I got my multi-purpose glue, and I am going to stick glue on here. And you want to hold this for a few seconds just so that it can adhere properly. On this one here, I used the ticket tear punch, and I just punched the bottom just to give it a different fancy little look. And again, you got your adhesive. Just lining them up, making sure they are straight. Giving it a good press, making sure everything is stuck. The stamp set I'm using is the Love What You Do, and I'm using the Thank You. I have my Memento ink. And then, oops, I have those little flowers. And I'm going to use my Grapefruit Grove. And I'm just going to stamp, 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 stamp. Bring a scratch paper and just stamp, stamp. I have the pearls. These are the Share What You Love pearls. And I just randomly stuck some pearls all over. Dropped a pearl. I can't get it out. And then I attached this. Onto my basic black, and then I added adhesive, but only at the bottom, so that the top flap could slide in and out. Just want to give this a minute so it can dry. Super cute box. What a nice gift to give to a friend. Okay. And And that is just going to slot in there like that. Super cute, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed today's video, please give me a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. That way you don't miss my next video. If you're in the US and you're interested in purchasing any of the Stampin' Up! Products that I used in today's video, I will have them linked in the description below. I will also have a written detailed description with measurements over on my website at www.stampwithshar.com. I love for you to go over there and have a look at all the different projects. I do post projects every weekday to inspire you. I hope everybody has a wonderful day and a great week ahead. Thanks for stopping by. Take care.